Okay, so I'm going to do my install today, and I realize there might be a few things they don't show you in the video when doing this. So first thing is first, all I said is I just really need these tools and a screwdriver, wherever my screwdriver went. No, it's right here. I bought it different needle nose pliers just in case, but screwdriver and all this. I might have another screwdriver to just compensate also, just to be safe. Here, one more screwdriver. Okay, so I'll see the scissors. Oh, it's already open. Let's put these aside. Open that up. Put these screws on. Just get these done out of the way real fast. Done. Done. These will go here for now. Put that aside. Throw that away. And I'll show you this thing. Huh. So, if we got any more. I believe this goes here, and then this goes here. I think. Or here, actually. Sorry, my bad. So this goes here. So, obviously, if I don't know, it has to be hand tightened. Oh, there's a good gasket here. So, I might have to get another tool. See which one fits for these. And then attach them. So, I'll be right back. Alright. So, found 11/16 wrench. I think that would fit this. Yeah, that fits. But this is kind of big, so I kind of had to use a crescent wrench for this one. I don't know if this has to be hand tight or what, but it is fuel and I don't want anything to leak. So, I'm going to tighten this bad boy up. Use this 11/16 wrench here. Yeah, man. Definitely don't want leaks. So, I'm just gonna. Yep, there it goes. It's tight. Done. Alright, and for this one, we're gonna go here. Ah! And tighten this up too. We'll just use a crescent wrench for this one. And we'll just tighten this up. Oops. A little scratch already. Damn it. I'm going to tighten this until it stops. I think we should be good from there. Yep, there it goes. Don't have to tighten anymore. That's it. Alright, so they're both on there. And then this goes like that. Let's see. No, a little too big. It's a 2.5. Sure. Or tighten them. Alright, so that's the one part of the video that wasn't shown is you have to put this in and put this in. This one was a 11/16, and this I use a crescent wrench for this one because it was beyond like a 22 millimeter wrench. So Alright, that's done, and now I'm going to go to the car and install this bad boy. So, yeah, they didn't show how to install this part, so anyway, be right back. Alright, so there it is. I installed it, but I'm going to run some tests right now, make sure there's no leaks. And all the other stuff wasn't that hard to do, to install. It was pretty simple. I ran this cable this way to it. Didn't give me enough slack, so ran it underneath here, and then this freaking mess. And then I ran this cable. I could focus down here somewhere. Right there. And there it is. Lucky I did do a check, because it's missing a bolt. And this is a temporary bolt, and I broke it. Damn it. So I have to get it out of there. And then I went to Honda this morning and ordered another bolt. So make sure your bolts are all tight when you do your downpipe and your front pipe. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll let you know how it goes.